Assalamualaikum and good morning to my fellow audience. I'm Siti Afsar Zahri, a postgrad student from the College of Computing, Informatics and Mathematics (ITM). Today, I would like to share with you a literacy study entitled Ontologies of Herbal Medicine, a thematic review analysis from 2011 to 2022. This study was conducted jointly with Associate Prof. Dr. Zaharuddin Ibrahim and Associate Prof. Dr. Ahmad Zamhariro. The presentation outline will be on introduction, objective, method, quantitative finding, qualitative finding, and conclusion. As we are aware that herbal medicine has been used for treatment since the beginning of the historical record. The knowledge has been passed down through informal practice and self-experience from generation to generation. The knowledge often unstructured, scattered on various databases and lack of taxonomies. The understanding of their usage relies heavily on human interpretation. So it's difficult for users to find relevant and useful information from large amount of data. To solve this problem, we have one potential solution, which is the utilization of ontology. Berners-Lee had defined ontology as a method of representing information in structured and semi-structured manners. Ontologies can help us to bridge the gap between application systems, facilitate interoperability by providing a shared understanding of a domain, and enabling data integration across systems within the similar domain. The objective of the study is to run a thematic review analysis on the literature from 2011 to 2022 that related on ontology of herbal medicine. The study will focus on the current trend on developing medicinal herb ontology and try to find out what is the most common issues in herbal medicine ontology. The literature search was conducted using Scopus, Web of Science, and Mendeley. The selection of literature was performed according to the several criteria, which is the publication must be from 2011 and 2022, have at least a keyword of ontology or herbal medicine or herbal plant. The literature search resulting 257 articles, 227 articles were removed due to premature result, not focused on herbal medicine, incomplete, have broken link or overlap. The 30 final article was reviewed and uploaded to Atlas Day22. For our quantitative finding, we found out the most prevalent publication is from Malaysia and Indonesia, and from other nations is from Brazil, Africa, Pakistan, Thailand, USA, Germany, Taiwan, India, and the Philippines. Most research was published in 2012 with a total of 6 publications, followed by 2018 with 5 publications. For qualitative finding, we tried to find out the word cloud for this article that revealed the ontology was used 940 times, knowledge 180 times, and information 600 times. Based on the thematic analysis, the discussion is conducted based on the following theme, which is development method, drug discovery, evaluation method, issues and problems, and safety and efficacy. The first theme is on issues and problems. For some traditional medicine knowledge is supported by vast amount of literature, while others are transmitted orally from generation to the generation. If the knowledge is not shared, the practitioner will pass away with the knowledge, so it will increase the knowledge loss or not develop over time. For Thai traditional medicine or traditional Chinese medicine that is well documented in the textbook and manuscript, this knowledge is often presented in a flat knowledge form. Lack of taxonomy, hierarchy, and not well organized. Since the knowledge is unstructured, scattered in various databases, and lack of taxonomy, the understanding of the usage relies heavily on human interpretation. So it's difficult for users or practitioners to find relevant and useful information from large amount of data. The second theme selected for this study is on methodological framework. From this study, 6 different methods were proposed, which is well-structured ontology, customized ontology, semi-automatic ontology, top-level ontology, domain expert, and social-technical approach. For well-structured ontology, it will provide detailed description of activities, technique, and deliverable, and it's offered well-defined process and clear roadmap, making it beneficial for the beginners. And for customized ontology, this ontology is starting from the well-structured ontology, well-structured framework, but then been adapted to the project or domain demands and objective. And for semi-automatic ontology, it uses automatic technique and human intervention to construct the formal knowledge representation. So it will minimize the need for domain expertise and it ensures efficient data integration. For the top-level ontology, it's establishing a high-level framework where it could enable semantic interoperability across the ontology. Besides that, it could describe fundamental concepts regardless of domain or application. Another method is domain expert. There is a collaboration with domain expert to ensure ontology accuracy and meet stakeholder needs. And Divine suggested that across literature should be reviewed with a subject matter expert to achieve mutual consensus. The last method is on social-technical approach, where it integrates social factor with technical in ensuring universal acceptance and user requirement through a feedback loop. Another theme constructed in the study is evaluation method. So ontology evaluation involved in analyzing its quality, efficacy, and suitability to ensure that the ontology accurately captured and reflect domain-specific knowledge. The assessment will include class appropriateness, class delineation, property identification, and ontology correctness and reusability. We found out 3 methods in the study, which is competency question, automatic reasoning, and metric assessment. For competency question, the developer constructs a specific question to evaluate the ontology usefulness and comprehensiveness, and the question is served as a criteria for the evaluation. And for automatic reasoning, it will detect inconsistency and use algorithm to derive inference. The embedded reasoner possesses the capability to deduce implicit knowledge and autonomously detect inconsistency. And for metric assessment, the metric will analyze the whole ontology criteria and identify areas for improvement and enable comparison. Another theme that we discuss in the study is safety and efficacy. Pharmacological knowledge is crucial in validating traditional herbal medicine, improving their safety and efficacy. Mustafa et al. Has suggested 4 key knowledge categories for developing herbal domain ontology, which is herbal knowledge, traditional medicine, the process of generating the herbs, and the pharmacological knowledge. Then, a relationship-based approach is suggested by Lin Cheng to focusing on plant therapeutic characteristic, illness, and preparation instruction. And Sheila Healy suggested to integrate herbal medicine into healthcare system to improve semantic interoperability. And the last one, by Al-Khatib and Riemann, they suggested to integrate treatment data into traditional and complementary medicine with medical science disease ontologies to ensure the relevance of traditional medicine therapy. The last theme is the drug discovery. As all of us know, that plants has therapeutic property and has been used to treat pathological condition. So drug discovery is the process of identifying chemical entity with the potential to become a therapeutic agent. This process required safety, pharmacokinetic, and efficacy evaluation. So Surendro suggests that ongoing research on traditional medicine knowledge will support modern healing method. And besides that, Al-Khatib and Riemann believe that herbal medicine knowledge has the potential to inform modern therapeutic method and reduce the time and cost of drug discovery. And according to Nazigade, the ontology-based approach will standardize the traditional medicine knowledge, making it more accessible to research and the public. Developing comprehensive medicinal plant ontologies could help to advance drugs discovery. And for the conclusion, we believe that ontology are crucial for traditional medicine knowledge in facilitating shared understanding. And besides that, a novel ontological framework is needed to address safety and efficacy concerns, promoting medical research and safe utilization of botanical products. Thank you for your time.